water in the pot. Okay? And we're going to put this avocado seed in the pot, just like that. Okay? Spin it around in the pot like this. We're gonna simply move the avocado seed from the water. All right, lovely. And I'm going to pour away this water. 2 cups of water to make the avocado seed tea. Make it cool down, and you're gonna take your time and remove the skin from the avocado seed. This is the skin. You have to remove it, peel it off. Okay? Lovely. Grate the avocado seed, just like this, into the water. All right? As you guys can see, this is 1 avocado seed we're using right here. Fresh ginger. I'm gonna put some fresh ginger in it, just like that, and give it a mix. Turn off the cooker. Take this off for the heat, and that's how they look. Book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes, are available on Amazon. Just like this. Might not able to like the taste, so you can put a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. All right. Now what you want to do, drink that first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and also you can drink it in the evening before you go to bed. Beautiful and simple recipe which can help you guys at home. All right, so yeah man, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and just remember one thing: subscribe is very important. That means I don't miss none of the videos then, guys. Okay, so yeah, I will have a lot more ideas